Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to get rich in car parking multiplier. So first thing first, make sure that you have the latest update for the game. So go to App Store right here and find the game and click on update button right here. After that, open the game, and now you can click on your money and buy money for the real money. So 500,000 cost $9.99, 1,000,000 $17.99. Also, you can get all cars for $99.99. Also, you can buy coins. 100 coins cost $1.99, 300 $3.99, and you can go to shop and buy whatever you want. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.